Here we are at the Podge and Tin in Cannock. We're going to be ripping out that grass verge, ripping out that seating area, and we're going to expand both to give them some more space for customers outside, but also maybe gain a couple of extra spaces on the car park because they'll be losing some in front of the doors. We'll be ripping those sleeper beds out. These are the spaces they'll lose, and this is the area we're going to dig out to help expand and give people more space to park. I'm a bit behind uploading this one. I haven't had much time to edit the video. There's going to be a few parts. This is the first one. If you've been enjoying the videos, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and look out for the next part to stay up to date with the project.
There's other canals in Birmingham. I don't think every contact is
So, plan is to get all this up today. We're going to cut a line in there, and then we've got some extra boards coming, which we'll put in a straight line to the door for the new entrance. Now, then, as long as it stops raining, wall, it's going to be curbs follow this wall along this outside line. I've actually changed it, so we're coming out to about here. So from the wall around to me and then back, just giving space for a couple more tables. We've got to get trench dug here because there's going to be laurel inside the wall, and then there's going to be a line of curbs on the inside of this. See how it goes in this rain. The grab should be coming today. So this area is 90% done. All we need is this grab out the way, then we can get the last couple of curbs in. So we've got curbs down there, and then just scrape this hardcore over, grade it off, ready for the tarmac on Thursday. And then we just got to put this corner in. Can't take too long. So it's probably a couple of hours there. So we're doing all right. The trouble we've got at the Podge and Tin is they open at 12, and we're now working right in the entrance, and it's absolutely hammering down. So we've got probably, I think it's about 9 o'clock, and staff start turning up at 11. Well, 10:30, because they're eager. They must have good gaffers. So we've got about 2.5 hours before they actually open. We've still got quite a lot to clear from standing on. Rain stop play. Thanks for watching along. It's the end of this video. The weather did pick up. We managed to get the cut in, and the entrance was just done in time for all the staff. Give us a like, subscribe, and look out for the next part. Thanks again.